So this is the things I have to do due to not having anywhere to do it properly. Here we go. Okay. Next. Don't know whether you can see, but cylinders have been honed. I didn't think everyone would want to come along, so here we are. Boom. Well, I want to keep going. Okay, so we've got new bearings in and all lubricated with some assembly lube, and crank's going back in. Unfortunately it's dark and I can't work one-handed, so okay, so that's the crank and the main bearings replaced. Obviously it's not tightened up all the way because I need to put the pistons in first, but I'm going to call it a night because it's getting late and I'm rather cold, so hopefully we'll have some daylight when I come back. Cheers.